I'm gonna butcher this pronunciation, but Petunia cordata extract. Let's Google what that is. And I'll just apply this on. Hey everyone, welcome to Hau Chic. So today I have a collaboration with YesStyle to show you beginner skincare products. So these are the skincare products that YesStyle recommend for beginners, and I'm going to test these out and give you my initial thoughts about them. So I have already cleansed my face and I used the cleanser that came in this suggestion box. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the Pyunkang skincare set. So it comes with the low pH cleanser, it comes with the essence, and it comes with the facial cream as well. I've used this one and it's super gentle on the skin. The main thing for beginners is that you don't want to be too harsh on your skin. Starting off with skincare can be quite a journey, and hearing about all of these actives, these treatments and everything, then it can be quite aggravating for your skin for the first time when using them. So entry level of skincare should always be very, very gentle, and try to pick products that are very gentle for your skin. So these are very, very gentle, and all of these products are very soothing and gentle for the skin. So that was the cleanser that I've used. This one is a foaming type cleanser, and this one is really, really gentle because of the low pH, and also it doesn't give that stripping feeling. It leaves your skin quite hydrated and it's not pulling out all of the moisture from the skin, but it does deep cleanse. Then moving on to toners and essences, I have a choice of 3 here, and because I'm new to all 3 of these products, I'm going to be a little bit more cautious on what I use. So the way I do is to patch test all of these. So a good place to patch test is the inner part of your arm, or along the neck, or somewhere on your wrists. This is because the areas around this skin is very delicate and it will mimic more of your facial skin as possible, because on the other parts of your skin they are very tough and they can withstand so many things. So it's best to patch test on these areas. So let's start off with this Anua Heartleaf Soothing Toner. It's got 77%, I'm gonna butcher this pronunciation, but Petunia cordata extract. Let's Google what that is. And that is a chameleon plant, and it looks like this. And this is quite cute actually. Other names are fish mint, fish leaf, rainbow plant, chameleon plant, heart leaf. Oh, I can see heart leaf, fish wort, and Chinese lizard tail. And it's native to Southeast Asia. So that's what it does. And I guess it has soothing properties in here, but also it has hexanediol, glycerin, which are more hydrating. It's got panthenol, which is soothing, and it's got a range of different extracts for antioxidants, and it's all very soothing. And there's no fragrance in here, so that is very good if you are sensitive to fragrance, or you just don't know yet and it's best to avoid it in the first place. So it's a very watery texture actually, and with toners you don't need to use a cotton pad, but I patch test this along the inner part of my arm to see how this goes. Hopefully no reaction. Then I have the Pyunkang Essence Toner, and this is more of a hydrating toner. This one's a little bit thicker in consistency, so I'm going to patch test this. It's a lot more gloopy in texture, so I'm going to put that on my other arm. This one's very moisturizing and you can feel the difference, whereas this one's more refreshing. And I guess just trying different products on these areas, you know what kind of texture and what finish you want to have. Now the last type of toner I have are in these type of cleansing pads. And this is by Neogen, and it's the Probiotics Relief Toning Pad. These are already readily soaked in so that you can use them immediately. It comes with some tweezers, so that is more hygienic. And it comes like this, and then you just pick up one very gently. So you just pick one up like that, and then So this one is also very watery, but it's very hydrating. And another cool thing about this is that one side is smooth, so the other side is more textured. So this is probably good for physical exfoliating. But I would be very gentle with this, and I probably wouldn't use this every day, especially with the textured side. Maybe on just the smooth side. So I have the Anua toner here, I got the Pyunkang here, and I've got the Neogen here. And so far, no immediate reactions. If you want a true patch test, then you would have to wait maybe about 24 hours to see if you have a reaction. But in terms of just immediate, then I would say I am pretty safe in using this for now. And my skin is pretty tolerant in terms of redness. So I prefer a lot more hydration, and I felt as though the Pyunkang was more hydrating in my opinion, and it's got more moisture benefits because I do love a good thick toner. Thinner toners, I feel like they don't do much for me because I have extremely dehydrated skin, so I do need as much hydration as possible to maintain my oil levels and also to prevent my skin from breaking out as much as it usually does. So I'm going to take some on the palm of my hand, just about a little bit, and then I rub it between my hands, and then I just gently pat onto my face. And then after your essence, I have a few masks that they sent me. So these masks are from the brand called the Pure Lotus, and they are super luxurious masks. They come in 2 steps. So they have a starter pad right here, and then they have the main treatment mask here. So the starter pad is supposed to really exfoliate the skin just to prepare yourself for the mask. And this mask is a wrinkle treatment, whereas the blue mask is more for a brightening treatment. So I am going to try the wrinkle treatment. I've already tried the soothing and brightening treatment, and I really like this. This was super soothing, and it really did give that glowy and dewy finish, and this one is super good. So I can say good things about this, and then I'll give you a quick overview of what this is like. So let's open this up. It has a pad like this, and it also has a pocket in like here. That's quite cute. And then I guess you gently exfoliate. So you don't want to be too harsh because your skin is very delicate on your face compared to your body. And I just gently apply this all around. Again, if you're really hesitant on knowing your skin type and you're scared of a reaction, I would again patch test this against your skin before you do use any new products. I'm going to apply the mask, and this is a really cute pink coloured mask. It's soaking wet in terms of how much serum there is. And I'll just apply this on. This one I'm going to leave on for 20 minutes and then I'll come back to you. I'm just going to be watching some YouTube and catching up with all the different channels that I haven't caught up with, so it's a good time to do that. Okay, so that was 20 minutes up, and then I'm just going to massage the rest of the serum into my face. I have just been watching Sophie's show here, and she's really in depth in so much that she shows you from Chanel. I'm pretty surprised in what she even says about their quality, and I'm just amazed by how it's even able to get to the store and be sold. So if you want to check out that video, I'll link it down below because that one was a very interesting one. So then following up with cream, so I have the Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream, and I have the Pyunkang Nutrition Cream. So I've tried this and I've already raved so much about this. This is super soothing. It's so luxurious. It just melts into your skin so easily. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to give this one a go. I like to have moisturizers that are super thick, and this is literally how much I apply onto my face because I just love a good seal of moisture. This does feel very luxurious too. I just melt it onto my face, letting it deeply penetrate and really sink into the skin. It's also very calming when you do this. I quite like the feel of this cream, and yeah, I'll see how it goes, and I think so far it's really soothing for the skin. But of course I do recommend the Dear Klairs one for sure, but this one is also a very good one. It's very, very soothing too. So that is to seal in every goodie that you have just applied on just before your cream, and then you can sleep readily all evening and wake up to dewy, glowy skin. So that is Beginner Skincare by YesStyle, and these are the products that they suggest to you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to find out where to purchase these products, then I'll link them down below. I do make a small commission out of these, but I will try to save that up and then put them into a future giveaway. So please do like and subscribe to this video for more content and also future giveaways. If you just want to chat to me anytime on Instagram, then please do add me there at Hau Chic. Then I can get back to you and just chat about anything. And then finally, I give you all of my hugs and my love. Bye!